Hello my dear friends, I am absolutely thrilled and emotional, and I just want to let you know the first formulation of Nuit should be in my collection if the 2009 Nuit which I bought it from eBay is genuine, but we're gonna find out this together. Of course, I have in my collection, this is a 2023 batch of Nuit and the current formulation. If you're gonna look closer, the sprayer is thinner than what I've heard Nuit the first formulation used to be, but we're gonna check this together if this fragrance will have the thicker sprayer, and also the cap should be a bit different inside. Also, I have another discontinued fragrance, which is Nuit Blue Electric. So if this one is real and you wanna hear the full comparison between these three, just let me know and I'm going to test them. But as I told you, I'm really emotional, and here should be a 60 ml bottle of Nuit 2009 used about 10-15 milliliters. I should have left about 45-50, which I'm quite pleased with that, and I paid 150 pounds from eBay. The seller had 100% feedback, so hopefully it's going to be genuine. So I'm going to open the box. And here should be, and it is Nuit the old formulation. So I'm going also to open this. So this is the 60 ml of Nuit about 10 milliliters used, and look at the sprayer. Oh my god, guys, it's exactly as I remember when I smelled it in a store. And look at the cap, the difference, and look at this juice. So this is the 2023 batch, I think, 2022, 2023 roughly, and this is the 2009 Nuit batch. And look also at the sprayer, the difference. The batch code, the first Nuit used to come with only a 4-digit code instead of the long one if it's still here. So basically my hands are shaking a bit. So let's spray Nuit the first formulation 2009. It's exactly as I remember, you know, like fully rounded, a fall fragrance, you know, a fall fragrance. When I smelled this one in 2014, I think I had in my mind at that time when I smelled this a picture with a tree in the fall time, you know, with that orange leaves, something like that, and this makes no exception, you know. Definitely something which I'm really proud to have in my collection. And also look at the cap difference. So actually the cap, this one, is much heavier from what I can tell right now than this. So the cap feels heavier and this one feels lighter, the new one. Definitely is heavier. Also, people compared the Blue Electric with the old formulation of Nuit. So if you are interested in this kind of video comparison, just let me know. But let's spray the current formulation. Also, the current formulation is good, guys, but the old one is just a bit more mature, if I can call it like that. So it's just a bit more mature, just for a grown-up gentleman. This fragrance is still for a grown-up gentleman, but this one, it's even more mature than this one. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm really emotional, as I said, and until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.